Welcome to the future of transportation. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of electric vehicles right here in Abuja. As we step inside, we're greeted by a fleet of cutting-edge electric cars, ready to revolutionize the way we travel. Each electric vehicle boasts sleek design and innovative features, setting them apart from traditional cars. Here, we see how simple it is to start these electric cars, and notice the futuristic design of the doors, which open upwards, a striking departure from conventional vehicles.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves.
So those are the charging ports.
Electric mass transit system, featuring e-buses, e-bikes, and three-wheelers, is engineered to alleviate the financial strain caused by traditional fuel-powered vehicles. The system is a cost-effective alternative, providing a reprieve from the volatile fuel prices that burden Africans in general, particularly Nigerians. Benefits of electric cars. Addressing the climate crisis, electric vehicles offer a promising solution because of its zero carbon emissions compared to internal combustion engine vehicles, thus playing a crucial role in mitigating the climate crisis. Health and environmental benefits. Air pollution from traditional vehicles poses a severe risk to public health. By adopting electric vehicles, which produce zero tailpipe emissions, we can significantly improve air quality and reduce the prevalence of respiratory illnesses and other health conditions associated with vehicle emissions. Additionally, electric vehicles contribute to reducing noise pollution, further enhancing the quality of life in urban areas. One of the key aspects of electric vehicle infrastructure is the availability of charging points. Let's take a closer look. These charging stations provide convenience and accessibility for electric car owners, ensuring they can power up the vehicles wherever they go. Electric vehicles offer a sustainable solution to urban transportation, reducing emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. As we've seen today, electric vehicles represent the future of transportation in Abuja and beyond. Join the movement towards a cleaner, greener future by embracing electric vehicles today. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, we can drive towards a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow. How to access this place? Address: 13 David Ejor, Gudu, Wuse 2, Abuja, Federal Capital Territory.